New numbers from Metro Police showing an increase in deadly crashes in their jurisdiction compared to this time last year. That includes 108 fatalities this year. That's 10 more than what we saw during this time last year. But on the other side of the coin, one city is actually seeing fewer fatal crashes, North Las Vegas. And that's where we find our Kristen Drummond joins us from Live Drive tonight. So I was fascinated to hear this. Why are the numbers going up in Metro's jurisdiction but going down in North Las Vegas?
Well, Dana, you have to take this into consideration that North Las Vegas Police's jurisdiction is much smaller than what Metro Police actually patrol. And when I reached out to North Las Vegas Police this week, they credit community engagement, outreach, education, as well as enforcement for helping them to try and reduce the number of people killed on their roadways. I did request the number in regards to their fatalities this week. Meanwhile, we are driving around town right now. Here you can take a live look as we go down Lake Mead Boulevard. And while you do drive around here, there are reminders of these deadly crashes around town. In a North Las Vegas neighborhood, plywood covers a damaged privacy wall on Clayton Street near Doral Lane. Next to it, a small memorial. North Las Vegas police say a car crashed into it earlier this month. Officers suspecting speed and the driver not wearing a seatbelt as factors in the deadly wreck.
When it comes to seatbelts, I think that's like common sense.
Not wearing a seatbelt remains among the top 3 factors in deadly North Las Vegas crashes this year, right behind speed and DUI. Police reporting this week 15 deaths so far in 13 wrecks. Data hinting at a possible drop compared to last year when 35 people died in 34 crashes. In 2023, it was 33 people killed in 27 crashes.
I really would hope people would take those numbers and really sit with them and understand that we want these to be zero.
Some drivers and police sharing the same goal.
And then I do DoorDash part-time.
So you're out on the road quite a bit.
Quite a bit, yeah.
What do you see on the roadways?
Honestly, I see all kinds of stuff. I see people like running across the roads.
But efforts by officers seem to be improving pedestrian deaths based on statistics. 2 so far this year. Last year, ending with 14, and the year prior with 13. News 3 attempting to speak with police on camera Friday about their approach to safety. The department emailing a statement. It says in part, we do traffic stops, DUI enforcement, and targeted patrols to deter unsafe driving. At the same time, we work with schools, businesses, and various stakeholders to promote safe driving habits and improve problem areas. Meanwhile, some drivers taking their own precautions.
Follow the speed limit. And I'm not perfect on the roads either, but you know, I try to be safe.
I like to have my radio low, especially when I have my nephews in the car.
Now, I did speak with a traffic expert today who credits enforcement by North Las Vegas Police for likely reducing the number of pedestrians who have been killed on their roadways. Dana?
So we know that we do stories all the time here on News 3 about how to stay safe on our roadways, but local law enforcement has a way to just bypass the local media and talk directly to drivers in our community, right?
That's absolutely right. We have noticed a lot of different departments using social media. That includes North Las Vegas Police. Actually, just yesterday, they posted this on Instagram. It was in their stories. You can see it. It reads, seatbelts are designed to work with airbags, not replace them. So this is just one of the many messages that they are trying to get out there to the community, especially when we're seeing people not wearing seatbelts like this. It's one of the top 3 reasons why people are dying in their jurisdiction.
Yeah, the man you interviewed said it seems obvious to wear your seatbelt. We've been hearing it for decades, and some people still refuse to do it. Kristen, thank you. We appreciate that. So Nevada State Police, they're also going to be out in force this holiday weekend, trying to cut down on the number of fatalities on our roadways. We spoke with State Police Trooper and Public Information Officer Sean Hangstrom about this deadly trend during holiday weekends.
As for Southern Command for NHP, right now we're looking at 42 fatalities, and that's just in our southern area, Las Vegas and Southern Nevada, Laughlin area. We're looking at 12 of them were motorcycles, and we've had 4 autopeds and 1 bicyclist for fatal crashes this year so far.
Top 2 factors, you can guess them. Speed and impairment. So he says slow it down and make sure that you're not driving drunk out there this weekend.
Yeah, so important. You could save a life, including your own.